going to show you how to use the wireless power share on your Samsung Galaxy S23 so you can charge other devices using your S23, okay? So let's go ahead and turn it on first. Just go directly to your settings. You can swipe on the middle screen, look for your settings. From here, we want to go ahead and scroll down until you see battery and device care. Tap on that. And then you see battery right here, okay? Let's tap on battery right there. And now let's scroll down a little bit. And right here down here, it says wireless power sharing, okay? So let's tap on that. And by default, of course, it's off, okay? And then you can go ahead and turn it on, toggle that on. Also, note down here, it says battery limit right now. By default, it's 30%, okay? Of course, you can go ahead and change this too. You can change it to 30 to 90%. So if you leave it on 30, basically when we get down to 30% on here, it's no longer going to charge any of the devices wirelessly once it goes down to 30%. Okay, so anyway, let's turn it back on. Okay, so it's on. Now you put your devices on the back of the phone like that. So let's see Samsung Galaxy Buds here. Let's pop that on there. That charges. I can see a little red light there. How about Apple AirPods? And of course, these are, you can wirelessly charge this model here. You can see it's charging by that red light right there, okay? How about a Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, all right? Ooh, let's do that again. Charging. Now, how about an Apple Watch? No, it will not charge an Apple Watch, okay? Because you kind of have that like little oval there. You kind of need the regular charger to charge a Apple Watch. So this will not work on an Apple Watch. How about, let's try I think this is a Samsung Galaxy S20 here. Let's see if this charges here. Sometimes you got to find a sweet spot here. Oh, there it is. That's charging. I think this is a Pixel 6. Let's see, okay. Okay, I think it might have turned off. Let's just go back in here. Okay, it turned off. So let me turn it back on. And this is a Google Pixel 6 here. And let me try to get something on there. Okay, it turned off again, so now it's on. And let me just keep the screen on so we can see if it's taking a charge here. Okay, this Google Pixel is not charging because it's actually already 100%. But it tries to turn on, but it's 100%, so I don't think this is going to charge because of that. So here's another Google Pixel phone, but this one has 2%, and it works. So I guess if it was 100%, it wouldn't charge, but this is charging because it's only at 2%. How about an iPhone 13? This one here has a case on here, and I just heard the turn off chime here. Oh, it's still on. iPhone 13 with the case. There you go. Let's pull that off. Let's put it sideways here. Got to find that sweet spot. Let's see here. Let me pull it off. Okay. Anyway, it charges my iPhones. And there you go. The only thing that, you know, it's kind of hard to find like some of the sweet spots. I mean, you only use this in just for emergencies. Okay. Anyway, there you go.